Hi students, so coming to the next session. In this session we are going to discuss about the exercise 4.4. So in exercise 4.4, so already we discussed some examples in the previous session. So using that examples we are going to solve the given questions in the exercise 4.4. So first question, in the following figures count the number of acute angles and right angles. So here both acute angles and right angles also we have to find. Now I am going to draw the figures on the board, or if you observe this. From figure A, observe this. Here how many acute angles are there? First acute angles means this is called acute angle, and second one this complete, third one also acute angle, and 4 and 5 acute angles are there. Five acute angles. And how many right angles are there? How many right angles means we can observe here it is right angle, no? It is also right angle. If L-shaped triangle means there means it is right angle. Here 4 right angles will be there. 4 sides. Here 4 and here 2. Total 6 right angles. Here coming to the second B question, here how many right angles are there? Here this complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 9 are the acute angles. So what about the right angle? So here this is one corner, complete corner, no? This corner will become a right angle. So here this corner one right angle, 2. This is 3, 4. This is 4 and this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 9 are there. Next here 10, 11. Here this corner is 12, 13. Here 14. Here it is 15. Total 15 right angles are there. 15 right angle. So this type of corners, exactly L-shaped corners are must be having 90 degrees exactly. So right angle means already we know that a right angle means 90 degrees. Acute angles means below 90 degrees. Just it is a below 90 degrees. So below 90 degrees angles are 9 are there. Exactly 90 degrees are angles are 15 are there. Here also like that. Okay. Instead the next one. Coming to the second question, find the number of lines right angles turned through by the hour's hand of the clock in each of the following cases. So in each of the following cases, how many right angles will be there in between that time? So that time means when it goes from 2 to 8, 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock. In between these two times, how many right angles will forms by the, how many right angles it will turns? So 2 to 8. Here we have to observe that every 3 hours after one right angle will forms, no? So how many 2 hours, how many hours in between these 2 and 8? So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 6 hours are there. In this between these 2 hours, 6 hours will be there, means every 3 hours after one right angle will form. So 6 hours means 2 right angles will form. 2 right angles. So 2 right angles will form. So after that when it goes from 10 to 1, 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, 10 after 11, 12, 1. So 3 hours only are there. So after every 3 hours one right angle will form. So here 3 hours only are there, means that's why it is one right angle will be there. One right angle will form in the between 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Okay. So coming to the next one, when it goes from 12 to 9, 12 to 9. So 12 means it is a 12 here will be here, 9 will be here. So 12 to 3 one right angle, 3 to 6 one right angle, 3 to 6 to 9 one right angle, 3 right angles. Here how many hours are there? Here 9 hours will be there. Okay, so that here 3 right angles will form here. So 3 right angles. Understood? Like this, the angles, the how many right angles will be formed in the between the given times. Like you can say like this. Understood? Next question. Here in the third question, 4 diagrams are given. Here in these figures, which shape we can say, we have to say which angle will be the which type of angle, which shape will become a which type of angle we are going to say. So here observe this, here the angle must be less than 90. So we can say this is an acute angle triangle, acute angle, we can say like that. So here if the angle is indicated like this, means we can say that is a 90 degrees right angle. So it will become right angle. Like that we can give the name for that. And next it is more than 90 degrees, but is less than 180 also. It is not straight here. So that it will be more than 90 degrees, but it is less than 180, means it is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Here also observe this, here it is more than 180 degrees. More than 180 degrees, but it is not completed complete rotation. So that it will become reflex angle. So like that you have to give the name for the angles. When shape is given, what is the angle you have to guess and you have to give the name for that. Okay, no need to measure those. With the using of, you can see there and you can say the answer. Understood? Coming to the fourth one. Here in the fourth question, you can observe that fourth question in your textbook, measure and state the kind of angles each of them. Here we have to measure. Measures are not given. You can say with the using of shapes also, but you must measure. Observe the D1, you can't say with the using of, without using measuring that angle. So for that all of you use your protractor, and how to use already explained. So you have to use that protractor, put there and write the angle, how much angle was there, and you have to say first, then you have to write the name of that angle. So if it is more than 90 means you have to write obtuse there, less than 90 means you have to write acute there, exactly 90 means right. Okay, like that. Straight is not there, reflex is not there, you can say. So if it is acute or obtuse, okay, 2 types of angles only there, but you have to find the measure of that angle. Okay, you can do with your own only. So coming to the fifth one. Here already we know that how many right angles will be there, how many right angles will be there in between two times. So you have to use that rule only here also. How much rotation was completed by this time, that is question asking. So here complete rotation means 1, every right angle will become 1/4. Every 2 right angle, once right angle is completed means half completed, and it means 1/4 means for every 3 hours after 1/4 will be completed. So here how much time is completed in between 2 to 8? 6 hours are completed. 6 hours means 2 3 is completed. So 6 hours means in 12 hours, 6 hours means half. Every time you can write here solution, what we have to write, total how many hours are completed here, 6 hours are completed. 6 hours means total you have to write down. So 6 table, 6 1s are 6 2s are. Half rotation was completed. If 6 hours 2 to 8, the hours hands starts from 2 to 8 means it was completed half rotation, like that you have to say. So how much rotation was completed in B? So 3 to 6, how many hours will be there? 3 hours will be there, by total 12 hours. Here 1/4, 1/4 solution, sorry, 1/4 rotation was completed by the hours hand in between 3 to 6, like that you have to say. And in this solution 4 to 6, how many hours will be there? 6 hours will be there. Again 6/12, 6/12 means 1/2, 1/2 half rotation. Okay, Here D, for D, how many hours will be there? 5 to 8, here 3 hours will be there. So 3 means 3 by 12 again, 1 by 4 times it will cancel, 1/4 rotation was completed. Okay. Coming to the sixth one, where will the hours hand of the clock stops if it is? If it is means, if it is starts from 5 o'clock and makes half revolution. Revolution means, half revolution means, I already told, complete revolution means 12 hours, half means 6 hours, 1/4 means 3 hours. Already we completed this in the fifth question only. So in fifth question only we have completed this. So that 5, it was starts from 5. So half rotation means 6 hours. Half rotation means 6 hours means 5 after 6 hours we have to add 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 hours means 11. So 11 o'clock. It will be at 11 o'clock. Okay, at 11 the hours hands will stop, sir. And coming to the B solution, hours hand started from 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock to it was make a 3 by 4th rotation. So 3 by 4th rotation means 3/4 means 3 1/4s are there. 3 1/4s are means every 1/4 will become 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours, 3 hours. Total 9 hours. So 9 hours means 8 plus 9. Actually it will converted into 24 hours clock. 8 after we have to count 9 numbers here. 9 means 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. At 5 o'clock the hours hand will stops. Like this you have to complete. At 5 o'clock, here it is at 11 o'clock. Understood? Like that you have to complete that. And coming to the seventh one,